This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sims 4 expansion packs. First, confirm you own the base game and any expansion packs you wish to use. You can purchase these directly through the EA app or your console's digital storefront. Next, make sure your game and all installed packs are completely updated. This ensures compatibility and access to all new features. It's a simple process that sets you up for hours of new gameplay. Once purchased, install your expansion packs via the EA app on PC or through your console's game library. The installation process is usually straightforward and takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After installation, simply launch the Sims 4 base game as you normally would. All the new content, from new worlds to new items, will automatically integrate into your existing game saves, ready for you to explore. With your packs installed, dive into the new content. You'll find new worlds to visit, exciting careers to pursue, and unique skills for your Sims to master. Head into build mode to discover hundreds of new items, allowing you to create even more imaginative homes. Interact with new Sims, explore fresh gameplay mechanics, and truly expand your storytelling possibilities. Each pack offers a distinct experience, adding significant depth to your game. To truly maximize your Sims 4 experience, try combining different expansion packs. The content from various packs often blends seamlessly, creating incredibly diverse and rich gameplay scenarios. Remember to check for game updates regularly. This ensures smooth performance and access to any new features or bug fixes. Also, for great deals and to find that Oala water bottle, check the description below. Enjoy countless hours of new adventures with your Sims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.